Svetlana Solo. Svetlana Solo / Orlova Svetlana Vladimirovna 15 September 1970, USSR Tajik SSR, City of Gafurov, Leninabad region Russian artist, art community, journalist, teacher. Full member academician of the European Academy of Natural Sciences EANS, Section of Cultural Sciences 2019. Holder of the Order of Unity Deeds in favor of peoples for activities in field of culture of the United Nations Organization, the European Committee on Decorations and Gratuities 2008. Biography. Born on 15 September 1970 in the USSR, Tajik SSR, city of Gafurov, Leninabad region, in so-called Stalin's settlement. Studied at school No. 19, began drawing in childhood. There was no school of arts in the city, so studied basics of academic drawing from books. During child and teenage years was attracted by astronomy, poetry, mountain hiking. Basketball trainer Ibrahimov Rimzi Yusufovich played a big role in development of Svetlana's personality. Svetlana graduated from secondary school holding mastery certificate for basketball. From school records. Capable, talented, active, uncontrollable by character and willful. Development of character was influenced by a number of factors, including place of residence. Stalin's settlement was populated by exiled Koreans, Germans, Crimean Tatars, and other people. Settlement was near to closed city of Ch-30, nowadays Buston. In 2001 she graduated from Moscow City Pedagogic University named after him, A. Shalakhov, Arts and Graphics Department. Svetlana uses pen name Solo Svetlana, part of surname. She began to work as representative of art community under surname Solodovnikova till 2014. Family. Mother, Kalamova Nina Andreevna 1948-2006, worked as chief accountant in the region and lectured in Kujant State University at Accounting and Audit Department. Father, Kalamov Vladimir Ivanovich 1945-2002. There were two children in a family, Svetlana and her elder brother, Alexander. Grandfather on father's side of a family, Rob Karl Tobiasovich 1901-2005. He was there due to his origin. He was German-Dutch Mennonite. Mennonites are known for pacifism. Karl Tobiasovich refused to take up arms and was imprisoned. He was one of builders of the city of Ch-30 together with other Soviet Germans. I did not pay attention to the number of my grandfather's arm, and only in adulthood I understood everything, Svetlana recalls. Grandfather on mother's side of family, Makeev Andrei Mikhailovich 1917-1973, was born in Saratov region. During Great Patriotic War he served in the 3rd Air Force Army as junior sergeant. He was a driver of a special car BC of 804th Air Base Service Squadron. He was awarded with medals for service in battle for bravery. Creative activities. Svetlana Solo is organizer of exhibitions of art, artist, plein airs, contests including international ones. She works in styles of abstract art, real art. Genre, landscape paintings, still life paintings. She considers her most influential teachers are Lavrov Viktor Germanovich, Alyakhin Andrei Petrovich, Rybakova Irina Vladimirovna. Geography of exhibitions: Bulgaria, France, Germany, Italy, Moscow region, Macedonia, Netherlands, Romania, Serbia, Slovenia, South Korea, Spain, Turkey, United Kingdom. Svetlana's paintings are exhibited at Plyas State Historical Architectural Museum, Reservation of Arts, Russia, in City Gallery of Arts in Stara Zagora, Bulgaria, in Galleries of Bulgaria, Germany, Macedonia, Italy, Serbia, and in private collections. Author and organizer of projects. International Children Art Contest of Drawings World Without War from 2014, Children as Patriotic Project Portrait of the Veteran, Children as Ecological Project Classics of Domestic Animalism, International Project Balkan, ART from 2015, Annual Plein Air of Arts Seasons of Leviton, Zvenigorod, curator of exhibition. International Plane Air Russian-Turkish War 2008. 2014 in Bulgaria. Annual Serbian-Russian Caper Vidicide jointly by Serbian-Russian SID Society. Membership. Union of Journalists of Moscow Suburbs Division of the Union of Journalists of Russia 2012. Author and leader of APTA newspaper Zvenigorodsky Vedomosti about art and artists Seasons of Levitin 2015. Professional Union of Artists of Russia PUR. Union of Artists of Moscow Suburbs. International Fund of Arts. Member of the International Art Group ART International Group. Creative Union of Women Artist Irida. Union of Artists of Shropshire United Kingdom. Chairman of Section Group of Artists Solo 2001 of Professional Union of Artists of Russia PUR. Group Status International. Chairman of Zvenigorod Division of Union of Artists of Moscow Suburbs. Board Member 2018. Awards. Project Portrait of Veteran. Award of Moscow Region Governor Our Moscow Suburbs 2015. Project Seasons of Levitin. Award of Moscow Region Governor 2015. The Order of Unity Deeds in Favor of Peoples 2008 for activities in field of culture of the United Nations Organization. The European Committee on Decorations and Gratuities. Personal exhibitions. 1. 2017, 15.215.4, Russia, M.R. Zvenigorod, Art Gallery CVB, Exhibition Turquoise Rhapsody, 2. 2016, 1522 March, Russia, Moscow, Moscow Public Fund of Culture, Exhibition Feelings Expression, 3. 2017, 26.922.10, Russia, M.R. Zvenigorod, Art Gallery CVB, Exhibition Feelings Expression, 4. 2014, 20.7, 31.7, Bulgaria, Plovdiv Gallery and Building of the Community Council, Exhibition Bulgaria, Through Eyes of Russian Artist, 5. 2013, 124 December, Macedonia, Prilep, City Gallery, Exhibition Ignatov's Path, 6. 2013, 922 August, Macedonia, Orid Rovu Palace, Exhibition Phoenix, The Bird, 7. 2012, 8 December, Russia, M.R. Zvenigorod, Art Gallery CVB, Exhibition Crossroad, 8. 2012, 10-25 July, Macedonia, Prilep, City Gallery Exhibition Two Lights, 9. 2012, 26.74.8, Macedonia, Skopje. Exhibition in the Central City Library Bracha Miladin of Psi. 10. 2006, April, Russia, Moscow, GU Moscow House of Nations, Personal Photo Exhibition Natural Beauties of Macedonia. Winner of contests. 1. 2019 November, Russia, Moscow, Roman 27 International Exhibition Contest of Modern Art Russian. Art Week in Multimedia Project Time Machine Games with Time Roman 2 Place. 2. 2018 Russia, Moscow, participant of Olympics of Arts of the Institute of Culture and Arts of MSPU nomination of landscape paintings. Roman 2 Place. 3. 2017 Russia, Moscow Region, winner of Contest of Moscow Region Governor Our Moscow Suburbs Roman 3 Place of Artistic Project Seasons of Levitin. 4. 2016 Russia, Moscow Region, winner of Contest of Moscow Region Governor Our Moscow Suburbs Roman 3 Place of Artistic Project Portrait of Veteran. 5. 2016 May Republic of Belarus, participation in International Olympics of Art, Roman 2 Place in nomination Landscape Paintings. 6. 2012 Russia, Moscow Region, Zvenigorod, Roman 2 Place in Creative Contest of Photos and nomination Nature Through My Eyes. Gallery of Works, References ==